Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back again to another video. We'll be discussing now the top commands which you will be using for Termux as beginners. It will be a list and the book is down in the description. You can get it for free. It won't be anything complex like computer codes that you are seeing on screen or needing anything of sort of programming aspect. It will be simple. These are just commands that you can use to navigate. And before proceeding, be sure you click on that subscribe button. Thank you. Stay blessed, stay positive, stay positive. And thanks for subscribing to our channel, everyone. You can also check us out on other social media platforms like Facebook, Cyber Academy, and also Telegram. The links will be down, and also WhatsApp. Be sure you do follow us. Hello everyone, and welcome back to your channel, Cyber Academy. We are instructor 8, and for this video we will be discussing about the Termux commands. We will be highlighting and discussing Termux commands, and mostly we will be discussing the top commands that you need to know as a beginner. And thanks to everyone for helping us reach our current milestone, which is 205 subscribers. That does mean a lot to us. It does mean a lot to us, generally speaking. And thanks also to, I think it's OGE Chuku. It should be, thank you for subscribing. I think that should be our latest subscriber. Okay, we do have a WhatsApp community which you can join if you want to get in touch with us, because that's where we do help actually people locally in our vicinity or in our country. That's what we do. We do help with computer related issues. But if you want to reach out, you want to be asking questions personally, or you are studying whatever aspect based on computing that you need help with, we will be glad to help you out. If you do reach out to us, you can comment also if you don't have the luxury of reaching out to us. The links will be down for our Facebook, our WhatsApp, and also our Telegram. They are available there. You can just click on the link and it will give you access. For Facebook, just go and type Cyber Academy, and it should give us it should give you the result for Cyber Academy, which will be ours, and then you will get access into our Facebook page, and then you can reach us there, or you can just use WhatsApp community link, which will be down in the description, which you can just click and then get access directly to our WhatsApp group, where you can contact us with whatever computer related case that you do have. Okay, so now let's proceed. We'll be taking it step by step, and I will be using a book. I think we do have, sorry, let me just navigate to come on Facebook. It should be Cyber Academy. That should be it. Just navigate there. We currently have that for full recovery. It's a new page we created. So now we will be using we will be going through the commands now step by step. Okay, and the book down, because I will be using the book. I wanted to do it randomly, but it will be in another form place. So all we're going step by step, giving the instructions and then testing the commands for you guys to see. The book will be down in the description. I think it will be a golden and media file link. You can just download. So now we are in Termux. Okay, so the first command we are going to be using is the package update, which is to update our system or our terminal. That is something you need to be doing whenever you log on to a new session, whenever you log on to your terminal session. Okay, just proceed by using what pkg update. For Linux, aptitude apt update. This should update all our packages in our terminal session. But as you can see in here, all the packages are up to date. So we're good, because I did update when I made a previous video. Now let's say the next command will be to upgrade, which is pkg upgrade. This is currently used for upgrading. Also, after updating, you upgrade all the packages in your device. There is none to be upgraded. Okay, so I'll just use Ctrl L to clear. Now we go to the next one, which is the pkg install, followed by package name pkg install, followed by package. Where you need to know the package name. I made a mistake. pkg install package name. Let's say Termux. We'll use Termux. It should install Termux for us. Okay, now we have Termux. We can just proceed by typing Termux, and I think we will be getting, let's say, Ctrl Z, Ctrl C, Ctrl X, Control C, no. Come on. Okay. I think I just use the exit. Now we tested Termux, it is currently installed. Okay. To uninstall Termux, you just use the PKG uninstall, followed by the package name Termux. Okay. Now we are going to uninstall Termux, proceed by Y, and Termux should be removed. If I search for Termux now, it will be telling us that it is not available, permission denied. Okay, it has been removed. Now to list the install applications or packages, all you have to do is use this command, which is the pkg list install there, list installed. That should get the list of installed application or packages that are currently installed. Now we have Matrix, and I think we should be getting DNS utils, which I did install last time. We have Matrix in here. At top, this one. This is Matrix, that's it. And there is DNS utils also available. So just let's say Control Z clear. I'll just clear this one. We'll go to the next one, which is to search for the packages. So we'll just use pkg search followed by the package name. Let's say Termux. We'll be looking up Termux if it's available. Sorry if my phone is lagging a bit. I'm currently running the screen record at 1080p. I think I do mostly record my videos at 720p, and I don't somehow like the resolution I get when I do check out the video after uploading. So I did have to tweak it to raise the resolution to 1080p, and that's why it's lagging a bit. So let's proceed. This is how we search for a package, following pkg followed by search and then the package name. Now to grant permission to your device, all you have to do to your external storage, which is your current storage in your device, because we are currently using the Termux storage. Termux, use the command Termux /setup /storage. This should give us storage access, but I think we have already that well aware that you can just proceed using the Y, and then when it will open a menu down to your settings where you can just grant permission for filing storage. I'll just click no because I've already granted the permission. So we now move on to how to exit your terminal session. This can be done by using the exit or the logout. You can use exit currently. Sure, let's say exit. Okay, now we are out of our session. We can just use the logout followed by logout, which is logout. This will get us out again. So we are out. So now for clearing your terminal, you can just use the Control L. That's the shortcut I use mostly. Click on Control L. Mind you, I'm using keyboard. That's the keyboard I'm using. Gboard. That's what I'm using. Gboard or keyboard. That's how I pronounce it. That's what I pronounce it. Use the Control followed by L. It should clear for you. Or let's just type this rubbish and then use what? The clear sound. Okay. You can use the Control Z to stop anything. Let's use Matrix. So type in Matrix. Use Control Z. It should stop the application for you. Okay. Or you can just use Control C. Now let's go to navigation. Control L. Let's clear navigation. So now to navigate to list files. If you want to list files or you want files to show, okay, all you have to do is use the ls. It should list files for you. Okay, now it just lists the files I have in my terminal session. I have a res.sh, which is a bash file I tried creating today. I'm sorry, today, because I was creating this video and I forgot that my microphone was off, so I had to recreate it again. I will have continued by doing voiceover, but it takes a lot of time and I can't do the video nicely like I should, because doing the voiceover, it's sort of, you don't know what will be showing up next. You have to wait. So let's proceed. That's how you list content. To change directory, just use the cd followed by directory name. Let's say tool. It should take us into tool. Now we are into tool list. We are into tool currently. Okay, that's how you can just go back using the cd.not. That should take you back using the Control L, clear. And now to know your current location, all you have to do is pwd. This will show you where you are currently located. I'm currently at home. If I just navigate to cd tool, that should actually take me to tool, and if I use the PWD, it should print my working directory, which is data Termux files home tool. That's it. And now to create your directory, all you have to do is use the mkdir. That's the command you use for creating directories, followed by directory name mkdir. Let's say cyber. Okay, we should create a folder or directory for us titled cyber. Now that's it. We have cyber. It has been created. To remove the directory, we have to use rmdir cyber. That should get it out because there is no files in there. This should remove the cyber folder we just created. We use the rmdir because there was nothing in there. But if there are contents in there, all you have to use it rm-rf followed by the file directory name. Okay, now to remove a file, all we have to do is use the command which is rm followed by file name. If we want to delete the fix.sh file, we just use rm fix.sh. It should get it deleted. It has been removed. Currently it's no longer available there. Okay, now if we want to delete a directory and its contents, let's navigate to ace. I think there will be nothing in there. Okay, there are files in there. Sorry, made a mistake. Mention me. Yeah. So now if we want to remove a directory and then its content, all we have to do is use the rm-rf. Okay, followed by directory name. Now we say ace. This should remove everything in there. Now released. Ace is no longer available in our device. Sorry, we no longer have ace in our device. Now to copy files, if we want to copy files, we use this command. So I'll just create a command which is touch. I'll just create something test.sh. Touch is actually used to create files like txt files, bash files. You can then proceed by editing. This is how you create a file directly by creating a new file. List. Now we have test.sh. So now if I want to copy test.sh into whatever directory, then I will have to use this command. I'll just create a directory here, kdir, or say rest, or re, just re. Sorry, I made a mistake. It should be mkdir. Mk. It should be d.f dir re. So now if I want to do, I'll just navigate to re. After navigating in there, I'll use the pwd and then copy this one. After copying, then I'll just use the cp. Go back to the file where the file is located. Now list. I think it's here. Now say cp test.sh followed by the URL I copied for the location of the file. Now we have successfully copied this file to our folder which is re. Now if I navigate to re and list, I will be getting the test.sh in there available. And now if we want to copy the file directly, let's go back one step. We are going to create another directory, Resident Evil 4, RE4, sorry, Resident Evil 4, shit, so bad. Come on, mkdir RE4 Resident Evil 4 has been created. Now we have RE4 here, so let's navigate to RE4 for Resident Evil 4. We are going to rerun the cdon pwd here also to get the location. Now we're going to copy this one, copy, and then we are going back where the file is located, and now we are going to move that file which is the test.sh. okay, mv sh followed by file location. Now if we list, the test.sh will no longer be in there, but if we check the Resident Evil 4 or RE4 destination, we try to navigate now and it will be found in there. Now I have talked about touch, which is used to create files. Okay, cats is actually used to display the content of the text file. Now if I create a txt file, let's say nano ace.txt, I love me love xy, enter. Now if I use cat followed by ace.txt, index.txt. This should display the content of the index.txt, which is I love me. Okay, now for less, it will display it page by page for you. It is actually mostly used for viewing content of a text file, or word list. Sorry, word list. We say less is.txt, but I don't have a word list here. That's it. You see by ending Ctrl Z. Okay, clear. Now we have Nano, which I just used. It is actually a text editor that you can use. You can use it to create these txt file. Okay, txt or whatever bash script you want to code. You can do that using the Nano, or you can just post it by using sudo by Nano. Let's say bash arg.sh. They should create a bash file for us. Let's say rest Ctrl X Y. And bash is a scripting method which is used to create commands for automation for Linux or Termux per se. The script I did use, the lazy script, was actually created with bash. I did and coded it with bash. I did made it with bash. So now the next one is Vim. I have not actually used this one that much. I mostly work with bash, which is also another text editor that can be used to write these programs. Even Python, you can even use it to write Python codes if you are a psychopath. Now we have Vim. It is also another text. I don't know how to even exit this one. Let's see. To X, Y, enter, not working. Exit, nope, not working. I have not worked with this one that much. Just keep this process. I don't even know how to exit using Vim. That's how I suck with Vim. Now, test the ping. Okay, you can just ping a website or a DNS. Let's say ping. This is actually used to test if the host is alive or not. Ping our team network.com. Okay, this will tell us if the host is alive or not. Now we are getting ping ICMP sequence equals to 1, and we are getting result which is alive. If not, it won't be getting all these packets from the host or receiving all this feedback. I'll just use Ctrl Z. My bad. Stopped. I'll just stop the process. After doing that, now we have to use wget. This is where I had an issue today, but I'll be using for file, which is actually lightweighted. I think. Let's see. What should I be looking for? Come on, nigga. Dark Souls. Okay, I'll just be looking for a standard Dark Soul. wget is actually used for downloading file directly into your device using a terminal. Okay, that's what it is used for. Dark Souls wallpaper. Let's say wallpaper. OP. Dark Souls OP. I think I will be needing. Okay. Now all I need from this one, is I just need to get the URL of the file I'm trying to download and then use wget, because wget actually works with the URL. I need the URL. If I was on PC, I would just go to the URL bar. Well, let's use the free download. This should give me a dialog button here, which is for downloading, and then I'll just copy. Okay, this is what I need. This is the link I need. Come on, nigga. I guess we good. Now I'll just navigate to the folder in my device. So I'll just go to Ctrl L for clearing list. I need to get access to storage. CD storage. Come on. Storage list. Okay, now we have to go to podcast. Okay, now list. Let's see wget. Just use wget. Don't know, not found. Don't know if it will get an issue. Maybe it has been depreciated for Termux. Let's see. Podcast. No. Okay. I'll just use the terminal, which just exit and then use it directly from it now. Let's see again. Let's go again. Now let's say double get. Follow by the link in here. You get the same error message, error issue, payload command not found. I think I will just leave it like that, but I'll be creating a video that will actually show how you can actually get these files online using your double get. I've been using it most of the time. I've been using it. I don't know why I'm getting this error. Let's try something else. Come on, alpha coders again. Come on. So do what you niggas. The next command will be the call, which is actually used to transfer data from onto a server. It can also be used to run these scans on this website. It will be getting new results on the site using this URL, the call method, calling. It will get these applications for you. I don't know if I can just try to get this link also and then retry, if I can just retry by using that. Okay, come on. Download wallpaper. Let's see here if I will be getting that same issue. Okay, link. Now let's go. Double get. This will be the last try. Control L, clear, double get. Fuck it. Jeez. Unsupported scheme. Block. Why is there a block? Then let's just proceed with this URL. I will be creating a video which will show you step by step how you use call. Look at. Now for call, let's just call so that's the domain. I'm going to try to run the issue. Okay, these are the things. I don't think it's functioning well. It's not because these are the only things it gives. The title will move permanently. I think it's currently behind Cloudflare. It's another domain again. Let's say .com. It has been depreciated. I'll just let this one. It's not functioning properly. Now let's go to the next one, which is we'll be using the NS lookup followed by the domain. Name server lookup. Okay. Now these are the replies we got. These are for the name server and the IP addresses we got for DNS informations. Okay. Now the next one is for the OS. You can actually use it by installing OS. After that, then you can just proceed. It will give you information or the registrants, if their informations are available about the site or the domain. I don't know if I'll be getting. Okay, these are information that I got. I think I'll just leave it at that. I'll just clear. Control L. Now we move on to which one again? Top. Let's see top. It gives you the ongoing processes running and the ID, the process ID also. You can use the, I don't know if kill is working in here, but you can use kill to terminate. This is my memory. It's showing my memory and swap the CPU. Just use Control F, Control Z, node, Control C. Nope. Control X, no. Let's just clear. Control L, sorry. Now we get the DF, which will show you your disk space. Okay, DF. It should show your disk space and the files in your display disk space usage, the things that's using your disk space. Okay, that's them, most of them, that's what is listed. This is not currently needed by most of you because you won't be understanding most of these things. DU, this is for the disk space. File space usage, sorry, the same file space that you have used. directories and the file space you are using, I'll just to elegant to clear this one. And to display your memory usage, you just use the free command. They should display your memory usage. I'll just clear again. You name uptime. Uptime shows you how long the device has been active. I think up to 18 days. Yeah, without shutting down. That's very good of me. You name it -E shows system, and this one it's very important. There was a time I had an issue with a kernel that I had to solve with my Linux machine. I had to use this to identify the kernel version and then use that kernel version to get the file I needed to fix that issue. So you name it -E is actually important. Using a net start shows you your network connection, but I'm just running on Wi-Fi. I think it won't be showing that much. This actually works with your Linux machines. ifconfig use it all shows your IP address and net information about your network. ifconfig. Oh, I made a mistake. ifconfigure. It should give the IP address, inet, localhost, and then your inet. This is your IP address here. The IPv4 IP address. That's it. Use the ifconfig. ipconfig is for Windows. Let's clear again. Now you can use the apt list to list package available for installation. Your apt show followed by the package name that will show your package information. So apt list. This will show all the packages that are available and can be installed. Okay, these are some of them. That's line 1 of 30. These are the lines. Damn nigga, I was just like sorry. It was actually also 52 lines of applications that you could, if you use the apt show followed by package. Termux, it should be Termux. Jeez. Okay, that's it. That's the version available. Package Termux maintainer Joshua Khan. Install size, it will give you all the information on the home page where you can get it, and the op2 source, which is the repo that you can get it from. Control Z, Control L, clear. And now apt clean. This will clean up downloaded package files. Okay, dpkg list all installed Debian packages. dpkg -L. This will list all the installed Debian packages. I think I have 31 lists there. These are 31 pages of this application file currently installed. I'll just use Control Z and then clear again. And now we have I think you do know how to execute these Python commands. These Python commands, for executing a Python command, you just use a Python. Using Python or Python 3 or Python 2 followed by Python script name and extension. Bash will actually execute the Python command for you. For bash script, you just proceed by using the bash and then followed by the file name. Just type bash, or you can just use the /. I don't have a current bash file here. I think you watched my previous videos, you saw how I did execute. You can check that video also for the bash command and also other Python execution. Also execute Python. For Perl the same, use the Perl followed by the script name. Java the same, Java. C++ using GCC, I think. For git cloning, you use the git clone method. Okay, and then you need another command which is the chmod. I think I did that. It is actually used to grant permissions to files available. You can grant permissions to them. Okay, now let's see Control L there. If I create a file in here, say test touch ace.sh, I've created an ace.sh. okay, now if I use the ls -a, this okay, it should be a single a, but this will show some of the files. ls -al, yeah, let's use al. Okay, they should list the files for us and their permissions. As you can see currently, the ace.sh file only has read and write options. We can only read and write as options. Okay, so now if we want to grant it all the permissions available, we will be using for the directives, you see the D at the front. We will be making it executable using the chmod plus X. That should grant it the executable options for the file to become executable or something. So using the chmod plus X followed by the star. If you use the star, it will grant every file in there permission for B to be executable. But if you just use the file name ace.sh, then the file call will be changed into green because it is now currently executable. That's how it should be. You can use that mostly before running any script. You grant them permission, and the chmod functions also by using these options like the binary functions like numbers, numerical. I think it should be 1 2 3. If you use chmod 111, it will give you I think the read. Chmod 222, it should give you singularly only the write, and then chmod 333, that should give you only the executable. But if you want to use all of them, you have to calculate 3 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, 3 plus 2 plus 1, 3 and 2, that should be 5. I think it should be, I think I did mix up the numbers, it's been a while. But if you want to get permission for read, write and executable, then you have to use 777. I don't think 3 2 1 can give you that. Okay, you just use the chmod. Let's create a new file. Touch rango.sh list. Now rango is in that column. Now chmod 777 rango.sh. This should give the rango the same commands for read, write and execute. I don't know, it should be, I think it should be 3 2 1 or something, but it's been a while. It's been a while. You can look that up. It's been a while. I've forgotten that. Using the binary formats, you just use your calculations and then one calculation. I think there is a video I made based on the Linux. It's been a while. I did cover that in that video. I covered that aspect in that video. Okay, you can use echo to display a line of text and use the tar to unzip the file. You can use cal also to display calendar. That should display a calendar for you. Okay, come on, let's just clear this one. Cal should display a calendar for you, and also using dates will display the date for you. Okay, I think then I can touch SSH right now, and I can't do Nma because I've done that. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you stick to this end, please do like, drop a like, subscribe, share, stay blessed, stay positive, stay cosmic. If you do have an issue on something, please comment. We can help you to fix that. Peace.